The sky is a curtain of diamonds falling soft on the street, while the rhythm of water's playing a song for our feet. The rain is a composer, a quiet imposer, a patient discloser, turning the chaos into peaceful exposure. The city's a murmur, a hushed information, a gentle vibration, washing away all the heavy stagnation. I'm stepping through puddles of shattered reflections, finding the beauty in natural imperfections. Creativity's emotion, the fluid emotion, a slow motion dive in the liquid devotion. It's the majesty of the downpour, the sovereign beat, a philosophical triumph from the glistening street. We're not hiding from storms, we're just changing the pace, finding the infinite calm in the water's embrace. Oh, let the clouds break and the silver start to pour. I'm dancing alone on this wild and ancient floor. It's the miracle of rhythm, the grace of the dance, the only true language of a heavenly trance. Higher than the thunder, deeper than the fear. Everything is wonderful now that the sky is clear. Now that the sky is clear, there is a sacredness in the way that we sway, washing the dust of the ordinary away. In every droplet there's a symphony playing, a message from heaven that the spirit is staying. Life isn't a struggle, it's a circular waltz, a healing the visions and the mending the faults. Love is the umbrella when the landmarks all fade, the unwavering warmth in the cool of the shade. Music is the rainfall where the spirit is blessed, a home for the dreamers and the eternal guest. Everything is sublime, even the storm in the air, for it's the only way that the soul becomes aware. Divine is the water, sublime is the beat, the miracle is moving on these silver lined streets. Open the heavens, let the harmony flow. We're learning to dance in the only way we know. The silver ballroom, the dance is forever. The rain is the music, and we are the river.